Hello everyone, I'm Mansi Prabhavalkar and I'm a cloud integration architect with Aqua Security. Today I'm going to show you how to purchase and deploy Aqua Cloud Native Security Platform on an OpenShift cluster using the Red Hat Marketplace. Currently, as you can see, I am on the Red Hat Marketplace. The only prerequisite for this installation is to have an OpenShift cluster registered with the Marketplace and have an Aqua project created inside it. In order for cluster registration, I can go to the Workspace tab and go to Clusters. Here, this allows me to add my own OpenShift cluster. The Add Cluster button takes me to this particular page, which tells me to install the script. I've already completed that task. The script installs the Red Hat Marketplace operator and registers my OpenShift cluster with the Marketplace. If you go back to the clusters page, you can see that I already have an OpenShift cluster register. Now you can go back to the Red Hat Marketplace and search for the Aqua listing. Here you can see our listing with all of the information. We currently offer 2 editions. One is the 30-day free trial where you can validate all of Aqua's capabilities at scale across unlimited nodes for 30 days. We also have an annual contract edition, which allows you to customize the number of nodes that you want to purchase. And then buy it with a click of a button from the Red Hat Marketplace. If you go back to our listing, you can see that it shows you all the information, including the deployment method, which is a Red Hat certified OpenShift operator. We also have our documentation tab, which has the quick start guides, product information, and the links to our Aqua Security blog and the GitHub repository. Now let's try it for ourselves by clicking on the free trial. Once the free trial is purchased, you can go to My Software and see that the countdown has started for the 30-day free trial that we just subscribed to. You can click on the product and then click on Install the operator. Here you can see my OpenShift cluster is listed, and I can use the drop down but first I have to go to my cluster and create the Aqua namespace. Once that is done, the project appears in my drop-down menu, and I can just click on Install. Once the install is created, I can again go back to my cluster and go to the Operators tab and Installed Operators. Make sure that I'm selecting the Aqua project. And here we can see that the operator is already installed in our cluster in the Aqua project. Once it is installed, we can click on it and we can see that the different CRs that it offers. There are various different CRs that you can use to install the different Aqua components. For easy button deployments, you can just use the Aqua CSP custom resource instead of creating the different components separately using their separate resource YAML files. You can click on create and it generates a YAML representation of it, and you can customize and change and configure any of the things that are needed, like the replicas, or whether you want a route to be created or the admin password for the Aqua console. I'm just going to keep the defaults. I'm going to click on create. Once the create is clicked, you can see that Aqua starts creating the different components. The database is created, waiting on the Aqua gateway and the server. We can click on all instances and look at all of the components that the Aqua CSP custom resource has created for us. We can click through the workload tabs and look at all the pods that are running. And then finally, we can go to the networking tab and look at the route. This route directly takes you to the Aqua console URL. Here you can log in using your administrator credentials that you created while creating the CR. Next up, you have to input the Aqua license. And there you have it. First thing you need to go is click on the enforcers and check that they are up and running and connected to Aqua. Should go to edit group and make sure that you have checked all of the Aqua capabilities. This allows you to take advantage of all of Aqua's cloud native security power. Once this is done, we can click on save. Look at the beautiful Risk Explorer. So you can see that using the Red Hat Marketplace and the deployment operator deployment method, you can have the Aqua platform up and running in minutes with just a few clicks. You can verify that the enforcer is running and connected, and then you can happily go ahead with securing all your cloud native builds, infrastructure, and workloads with Aqua on OpenShift. Thank you for watching. For any questions, feel free to reach out to us and contact us at cloudsales@aquasec.com. Thank you.